The other night I was on social media and I noticed a friend cleaning out his frame of on his rig. I've seen these videos before. I've seen other people doing it, and I'm like, I really need to get one of those thingamajigs. So it was fresh in my mind. I'm like, I'm not doing anything. I'm going to try to find it. So I went to Amazon, started searching, and lo and behold, said thingamajig is called a sewer jet kit. So it's used for plumbing, clean out plumbing pipes, sewer pipes, and this thing's super cool. Everybody should get one. I got a kit. I got this nozzle which rotates and shoots water in a couple different directions, and another one that shoots just a straight stream with a 15-foot hose for like 35 bucks. You can get 50, 100-foot, 75-foot hose lengths, but I'm like, I just need the shortest one possible because I don't want to deal with all that hose. So I got a 15-footer. So check this thing out. So anyhow, there was a lot of mud that came out of there, a lot of muddy water. Yeah, it's definitely worth the 35 bucks.